Today we got a MitsAlloy canopy going onto a Hilux. This is a bit of a shorter canopy and tray, so something a little bit different. We haven't really done one of these before, but yeah, so this is going to go on. We'll show you through how we do it. Let's rip it open and have a look and see what's inside. Alright guys, now we've got the whole chassis cleaned up. We're going to get the mounts onto the chassis, roll the car under, and now we're going to put the canopy onto the car. Ooh, we got little magnets, that's new. What we're going to do now is drill all our holes. So there's 2, 4, 6, there's 12 holes we've got to drill. We'll drill those holes to the canopy, bolt this down, and then we'll start working on mud guards, toolboxes, tail light wiring, and then it's nearly done. Alright guys, we got the MitsAlloy canopy and tray onto this Hilux. We're now going to look at doing the guards and the under tray toolboxes, getting the tail lights done and just doing the few little things. And then... Alright guys, we just finished this side. We're doing the mud guards and the toolboxes. I'm going to move to the other side and we're going to do that side. I'm trying to work out this fuel filter because I don't know if you can open it. Alright guys, we just finished the mud guards and under tray toolboxes. We're now going to look at wiring up tail lights, number plate on, number plate lights, and then just tidying up all the wiring. Just doing some Deutsch plugs. So the Deutsch plugs these matches up to the Deutsch plugs which are on the number plate lights, and then we'll join these two together and then put them onto these, the factory ones. We just finished this MitsAlloy tray and canopy setup on this Hilux. I've just finished the under tray toolboxes and the mud guards on it. Just do a final touch up, give it a wipe down, clean down, do a full systems check on everything, check over the whole canopy and get it ready for the customer to come pick it up. Thanks guys.